Welcome to this complete Laguna Beach, California guide. Nestled along the Golden State's sun-drenched coastline is the vibrant town of Laguna Beach, a lush haven for art enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. From its sparkling azure waters to its bustling art scene, Laguna Beach is a visual feast waiting to be explored. It's an enchanting blend of natural beauty and cultural richness that makes it a must-visit spot in California. Ready to dive into the beach town's charm? Here we go. First stop, Main Beach, the heart and soul of Laguna Beach. A place where the ocean kisses the shore, leaving footprints of frothy waves on the expansive sandy beaches. The lifeguard tower, an iconic landmark, stands tall and proud, keeping a watchful eye over the sun-seekers below. A stroll along the nostalgic boardwalk with the salty sea air filling your lungs is like stepping into a postcard of quintessential California. Main Beach isn't just a feast for the eyes, but also a hive of activity. The sound of laughter echoes from the volleyball courts where friendly competition unfolds under the sun's golden glow. Nearby, children's joyful shrieks fill the air as they explore the play area, their imaginations running as wild as the ocean waves. Main Beach is more than just a beach. It's a living, breathing embodiment of the Laguna Beach spirit, bustling with energy and brimming with life. With volleyball courts and a play area, Main Beach is a hub of activity. Next up, Heisler Park, a paradise for nature lovers. This lush haven, perched atop the scenic cliffs of Laguna Beach, is nothing short of a breathtaking spectacle. Wander through its enchanting walking trails, where the rustle of leaves and the songs of local birds form a soothing symphony for the ears. Heisler Park isn't just a feast for the senses, but also a canvas for creativity. It's dotted with public art installations that blend seamlessly with the landscape, turning a casual stroll into an immersive art walk. Marvel at sculptures that speak to the soul and murals that narrate tales as old as time. And let's not forget the stunning ocean views that this park generously offers. Stand at the edge, breathe in the salty sea air, and let the vast expanse of the Pacific wash over you. The azure waves against the rugged coastline is a sight to behold indeed. Heisler Park, where art and nature collide in the most delightful way. Welcome to Crystal Cove State Park, a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. This park is a treasure trove of natural beauty with over 3 miles of Pacific coastline, wooded canyons and open bluffs. For the adventurous souls, there's a network of hiking trails that crisscross the park, offering breathtaking views of the ocean and the rugged landscape. If you have an eye for detail and a fondness for marine life, the tide pools at Crystal Cove State Park are a must-visit. These natural aquariums are teeming with life, offering glimpses of starfish, sea anemones and hermit crabs in their natural habitat. And let's not forget about the historic beach cottages. These quaint structures are a throwback to the Southern California beach culture of the 1930s and 40s, offering a nostalgic glimpse into the past. So lace up your hiking boots, grab your tide pool guide and step back in time. Crystal Cove State Park, where the spirit of old California lives on. Now let's step into the Laguna Art Museum, the home of California art. This captivating establishment is more than a museum. It's a celebration of the Golden State's vibrant artistic spirit. Unlike typical art museums, the Laguna Art Museum exclusively features artists who have lived in, worked in, or been inspired by California. Every brushstroke, every sculpture, every photograph here sings a unique song of the California dream. Throughout the year, the museum hosts a variety of exhibitions that change regularly, ensuring there's always something fresh and exciting to explore. From contemporary art pieces that challenge the norm to historical works that tell tales of yesteryears, the museum is a treasure trove of California's artistic heritage. Perhaps you'll find yourself lost in a painting that captures the breathtaking landscapes of the state, or maybe you'll be moved by a thought-provoking installation that reflects the dynamic culture of California. Laguna Art Museum, where California's artistic soul shines brightly. Prepare your legs for Thousand Steps Beach, a hidden gem worth every step. Nestled away from the hustle and bustle of city life, this secluded paradise is a testament to the saying, "The best views come after the hardest climbs." And indeed, it's quite a climb, or more accurately, a descent down a lengthy stairway that seems to vanish into the horizon. But don't let the name fool you. It's not actually 1,000 steps, just a mere 223. a bit of exaggeration never hurt anyone, right? As you make your way down, each step reveals a little more of the stunning tableau that awaits you. A vast expanse of pristine sand, turquoise waters that sparkle under the Californian sun, and majestic cliffs that frame the scene with their rugged beauty. It's a sight for sore eyes and sore legs. At Thousand Steps Beach, the journey is just as beautiful as the destination. Welcome to Crescent Bay Point Park, a picturesque spot for a picnic. This park is a gem tucked away in Laguna Beach, offering panoramic ocean views that are nothing short of breathtaking. Picture this. You're sitting atop a grassy hill, the sun warming your skin, the salty sea breeze tousling your hair, and before you the vast, endless expanse of the Pacific Ocean. It's a sight to behold indeed. Crescent Bay Point Park isn't just about the views, though. It's also a prime spot for whale watching. With a pair of binoculars, you can witness these magnificent creatures breaching the water's surface, a spectacle that's both humbling and exhilarating. And let's not forget about the sunset. As the day winds down, the sky is set ablaze with hues of orange, pink and purple, creating a mesmerizing backdrop for the silhouette of Catalina Island in the distance. Crescent Bay Point Park, a place where the ocean takes center stage. Now let's visit Victoria Beach, home to the famous Pirate Tower. Tucked away in a residential area, this beach is a hidden gem, offering an escape from the usual hustle and bustle. The secluded setting, combined with the enchanting tower, will make you feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. Speaking of the tower, this 60-foot structure known as La Tour is a sight to behold. It's covered in ivy and appears to have come straight out of a storybook. Built almost a century ago, it adds a dash of mystery and whimsy to the beach. Victoria Beach also boasts a collection of tide pools teeming with marine life. At low tide, these pools reveal starfish, sea anemones and crabs, offering a fascinating glimpse into the underwater world. And there you have it, a beach that's not just about the sun and sand, but also about enchanting towers and captivating tide pools. Victoria Beach, where fantasy meets reality. Next, Aliso Beach Park, a family-friendly spot with something for everyone. This delightful haven is nestled right along Laguna Beach's picturesque coastline, offering visitors a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Its sandy shores, kissed by the gentle Pacific waves, are perfect for building sandcastles, sunbathing, or simply enjoying a good book. But if you're in the mood for some outdoor fun, Aliso Beach Park has got you covered. It's home to cozy fire pits where families and friends gather around to roast marshmallows, share stories, and create lasting memories under the starlit sky. For the adventure seekers, Aliso Beach Park is also a popular skimboarding spot. The sport, which combines elements of surfing and skateboarding, is a thrilling spectacle to watch and even more exhilarating to try. In essence, Aliso Beach Park is a place where fun and relaxation go hand in hand. Whether you're looking for tranquility or thrill, it's a destination that doesn't disappoint. Welcome to the Sawdust Art Festival, a celebration of creativity and craftsmanship. Nestled in the heart of Laguna Beach, this festival is a testament to the artistic spirit of this coastal paradise. Founded in the mid-20th century, it has become an annual summer tradition, showcasing the work of hundreds of local artists in an array of mediums, from painting and sculpture to glass blowing and ceramics. But it's not just a feast for the eyes. The Sawdust Art Festival also offers interactive workshops, inviting visitors to roll up their sleeves and try their hand at creating their own masterpieces. It's this hands-on approach that sets the festival apart, transforming observers into participants. The variety of art on display is truly astounding, a reflection of the diverse artistic community that calls Laguna Beach home. So whether you're a seasoned art aficionado or a budding enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Sawdust Art Festival, where art comes to life. Last but not least, Pacific Marine Mammal Center, a refuge for marine life. Nestled within the heart of Laguna Beach, this center is a beacon of hope for marine animals in distress. Devoted to the rescue, rehabilitation and release of marine mammals, it's a place where furry seals, majestic sea lions and adorable sea otters find a second chance at life. Each year, the center aids a multitude of animals, nursing them back to health with the utmost care and dedication. But it's more than just a lifeline for our finned friends. The center is also an educational hub, offering visitors a unique opportunity to learn about marine life. Through their ongoing efforts, they not only heal, but also enlighten, raising awareness about the importance of marine conservation. So if you're ever in Laguna Beach, do pay a visit, because here you'll witness the beautiful union of compassion and conservation. Pacific Marine Mammal Center, where compassion meets conservation. And there you have it, a journey through the enchanting Laguna Beach. From the sun-kissed main beach to the artistic haven of Sawdust Art Festival, each place boasts its unique charm. The stunning views of Heisler Park, the timeless beauty of Victoria Beach, and the wildlife wonder at Pacific Marine Mammal Center, Laguna Beach is a collage of unforgettable experiences. And let's not forget the breathtaking steps of Thousand Steps Beach. So pack your bags and set your course for Laguna Beach, where adventure and beauty await.